Don't wait for the next hailstorm. Protect your home's value with a free roof inspection today. Oh snap! Did you hear about the hailstorm that last year hit your neighborhood? Your home may have taken a beating, but fear not, because we've got your back. Our team of experts is currently in the area, replacing roofs that were damaged in the same storm that hit your home. Your roof, siding, and windows may have sustained damage that could be covered by your insurance company, so don't wait until it's too late to get it checked out. We're not just offering free roof inspections, we're offering a chance to save your roof and your home's value. Let us take a look and give you peace of mind knowing that your home is in top shape. And hey, who doesn't love saving some cash, right? Don't miss out on this opportunity to potentially have your insurance cover a full roof replacement. Here's why your neighbors are lining up for our services. They want peace of mind and assurance that their roof is in top condition. They know that potential damage is not always visible from the ground, and they want someone with a good track record and experience to check it out for them. They understand that hail and wind damage can compromise the performance and value of their home. They know that roofing leaks or later issues may not be covered by insurance after a storm of this size. They understand that if their roof needs a repair or replacement, the only out-of-pocket expense is their insurance deductible. But that's not all. We hold your hand from beginning to end, and we don't just forget about you after you pay us. We go back and check your roof twice a year, in April and October, to make sure it's working just fine. Don't miss out on the chance to protect your home and get peace of mind. Book your free roof inspection today. Our schedule is filling up fast, and we don't want you to miss out on this opportunity. Cryptocurrency exchange FTX, which has filed for US bankruptcy court protection, said it owes its 50 biggest creditors nearly $3.1 billion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get first-hand news.